could not care less about anything. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make different styles of natural hair. Like, natural hair is very difficult. It's very difficult to make. Have natural hair is very difficult and everything, and yeah, it's very stressful sometimes when you just have to do a quick hairstyle to go somewhere. Like for especially me like this, when I'm being invited somewhere, I need a 3-day or 4 days notice to know which hairstyle I'm gonna have. But yeah, with these hairstyles you can just make them in, I don't know, an hour or a day an hour or something, so that you can easily have time for something else. No need to spend too much time on your hair. The only thing you need to do is just keep it washed. Like, you just wash it. And for me, I put mine in this huge chunky twists. I know I look crazy, but I'm gonna go ahead and unravel them and comb it. Unravel them. I'm gonna go ahead and do all of the hair, and I'm gonna come back when I have combed it. Okay guys, so I'm back, and now my hair is all combed, and this is how it looks in its natural state. This, I haven't stretched it, I haven't straightened it. It just came out of a quick twist from when I washed it. Chunky twist. This is how my hair looks like. And yeah, this is actually one of the hairstyles. If you actually don't have time, you just remove your hair, then you go like this. I don't know how the back looks like, but the front always looks nice, but the back, not the best. So yeah. Okay, so the first style is gonna be a lower ponytail. Lower ponytail with like two braids in front here. So first we're gonna take our leave out. This is what we're gonna leave out. This is what we're gonna leave out. Okay, then we're gonna take our hair tie, and then we're gonna pull our hair backwards. Damn, this hurt. This really hurt. Pull the hair backwards, and this doesn't need any gel, anything, but you can go ahead and sit. Okay, so this is really humiliating. Nice. This is what I deserve for trying to fix you. I'm just kidding. Okay, so we're gonna go with this. I made it myself because since all tires seems to betray me, I made my own. So we're gonna just go ahead and tie the hair, yes, like this cute little puff. Then we're gonna leave this in front here. Now this looks cute. Yeah, and this is how it looks like from the back. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is how it looks like. Yeah. Okay, so what's down next? Okay, we're gonna do 2 puffs. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 puffs. These styles are very easy. You don't need any what's it called, any knowledge, anything. So just go with 2 puffs. The reason why I decided to do this video is that there are many people that can't actually make their hair with extensions. They can't braid either. And imagine if they live far away from civilization. I mean, like, this video is already a mess, so let's just continue. It's already a mess. This wasn't planned at all. This wasn't planned, but yeah, for me myself, I needed to try out different hairstyles, and I decided to film it, you know. So this is me trying different hairstyles. Okay, so this is giving me, you know, that Joker woman, that one with like yellow, no, like blue and blonde hair. This is giving me the vibe. This is giving me a schoolgirl vibe. Okay, so this is the other hairstyle. I mean, like, this would really be cute if there was like bangs. If there were like bangs, this would really be cute. Now here we go, and then maybe twist it up. No, like loose twist. Oh yeah, loose twist. Okay, yeah, see, here we go. Now this is a really cute hairstyle for the summer, and since it's getting into the summer, this is really cute. No gel needed. You don't need to take so much time, you know. Nowadays nobody have time, so. And plus, natural hair is tiring. Spending too much time on natural is too much sex. It's too much. It's too much. Okay guys, so so the other style is gonna be a high puff. Now, do you know the Hey Miss Carla, that trend? So you're gonna take this long rope, yeah, gonna go here like this, and then at this point just pull your life out. Okay, I feel like this is cute already. So here we go. So there. Okay, so gonna go like this, and we're gonna tie at the back. These hairstyles, you don't actually need any braid. We're not gonna make braid hairstyle. This is just an easy and simple hairstyle. Simple hairstyle, no braid required. Here you go. Oh, this is really cute. And you can go ahead also and yeah. Hey Miss Carla. Hey Miss Carla. Okay, yeah. So this is also cute. I feel like this is giving me, you know, like bitch I have hair vibe. You know, like It's giving me I'm not bald vibe. It's giving me everything vibe. Oh my god, like this is a to go hairstyle, especially in the summer. In the summer, you just want to let your hair loose, you know, let it loose everywhere. You just let it loose. Then yeah, so this is the summer. It gives me like let's go pick a berry vibe, like let's go pluck strawberries vibe. This is really cute. Okay, so I removed the hair, and this hairstyle that we're gonna make, like this next one is really kind of really cute. Like I've wanted to try this for a very long time, this hairstyle. And the pain I feel is real. The pain I feel is really real. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna take a hair tie. Okay, so here we go. Yes, like this. Yes. So yeah, this towel is also really cute. It's really cute, this towel. But what if we go like this? We go. Now see, this is really cute. This is for people who doesn't have much hair for a puff. Much hair for a puff. So this is how it looks like at the back. At the back. From the side. From the side. Because it makes it seem like your hair is a lot actually. Like, and it's really cute. It's really cute. Yeah. It's really adorable. It's really adorable. Okay, so at last, this is the style I chose to go out with. Yeah, and my hair is so dry, it's disturbing. How dry it is, it's really disturbing. My hair has never been this dry before, and I'm really worried. I'm really worried if I didn't use enough products after I washed it. So yeah guys, I hope you liked the video. I know it wasn't much, but really with natural hair there is a lot of styles you can make without braiding, without, you know, you just, even high puff is a hairstyle. At this point anything goes for natural hair, anything. At this point you can just, what, there is wash and go, there is different types. Maybe next time I will do a wash and go. Probably never happen. It will never happen, honestly. But yeah, the next video I'm probably gonna post is mini twist or mini braids. I'm gonna choose one of them, mini twist or mini braids. So yeah guys, thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you for liking, subscribing and sharing my video. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. I love you so much. And yeah, subscribe to join our family. This is a family. It's an online family. So please subscribe. I love you so much. Bye. Yeah, bye. Why are you still here? Why are you still here?